Thanks for giving the opportunity to build an app in 2 months. Shipaton has been great. I've been talking on Twitter with few people that have thought would never talk to and got great feedback on this app. And this is where this app has ended up after building it in public for about 3 weeks. This is an expense manager app. There has been so many apps in expense manager in the app store, so I went into app store to look at the top 10 expense manager apps and look at the reviews and what I need to do to build this app to make sure that it is loved by the users. Apart from that, I looked at how the app should onboard the people who are going to use the app for the first time. So let's go through the onboarding first. So user finished the onboarding and they are provided with this paywall after the onboarding, just to give them the opportunity to buy the app so that they can explore all the feature right from the start. I'm offering 3 days trial for users to try. There are different options. They can create expenses. Manual entry is free. They don't have to buy anything. They can create them. Then there is a budget and income status they can do. So they can add only one income that they have added, but to add a new one they need to purchase. There's a calendar view that they can have a look at their incomes and expenses per day. There's mileage tracking, and with the mileage tracking there's a feature that they can give an access to their calendar, and if there is a new meeting coming up it will show up here, and whether they want to track that as a client meeting for their expenses. And in the more, I have currency setting, categories, tags, reports, and preferences for the app. So let's go and track a manual entry test 100. So the entry is created. You can go into the detail and then go and edit that one. Let's say it should be 220. Save that, and the expense is created. When the user goes to the calendar, it should show the expense as 200 and user has spent this much, and the net change is also 200 because there is no income. So I can go ahead and add an income, which is maybe app sale, and I have sold, let's say, for $9 weekly. Save. So because user hasn't purchased it, so I'm gonna go and make a purchase. Subscribe. Go back. Add an income. App purchase. $1 weekly. So when I save, I can see that there is an income added here and the net change is there. And let's go back to our budgeting. So I can see that there is no budget allocation. I can tap on food and I can say, it's maybe 20% of this. So the budget will be allocated and it will give me the savings accordingly. That's the high overview of the app, but there is a download link in the project submission. Let me know. I have added some promo codes as well to give you the free trial, give you the access to the annual subscription so that you can access all the features of the app. Thanks for giving the opportunity, and I hope that my submission will make it through to the build in public category.